world, it's your Unkle Heavy. Today I'm on location in Pigeon Forge, Tennessee. Destination I've been wanting to come to for a long time, and finally Michelle and I have come here to check it out in person. So today we're gonna kind of just take a tour around the town and see what it has to offer. I might stop and do an attraction or two, I'm not sure. We'll have to see. No tickets required just yet. Let's go see what kind of trouble I can get into. Do come along. I got that in time, but there's a bear too. Sharks and bears. Places you can get old-time photos. Cigars. I don't even know what that is. Lots of interesting tourist traps here. So this is our room in Pigeon Forge for the next 3 days. I gotta tell you, this is a pretty impressive room. It's a newer hotel, it's a Courtyard. So here's the view from our hotel room. You can see the mountains are up there, and right there, I'm gonna zoom in on a second. That's called the Pigeon Forge Cross, and I don't know that we're gonna go drive around and try and find it and see it up close, but at least I could get a shot of it from my hotel room so I could say I saw it while I was here. So yeah, that's the close-up of it from here. I think it's around 60 feet tall. Kind of a unique attraction here. They have an indoor pool, an outdoor pool, and a lazy river. I think we might have to take a ride in that lazy river in a little bit. So this is kind of nice. We've got a lazy river in our hotel to use. And I think it's warm enough here. Oh yeah, my buffalo body can handle this. So I'm telling you, this is the way to do a vacation. All right, you've seen it before in Hawaii. You know there's only one way to get used to the water. This is my Tennessee vacation. Oh yeah. This is good. Oh, it does have a current. I'm gonna hit you. I'm gonna hit you. Hi, Uncle. Do you want me to grab you, Tube?
I walk with you.
Are you gonna walk with me? Get your steps in. It's got a bit of a current. I mean, it's almost like it's like an amusement park or a water park. Lazy river. Like it's supposed to be with a working current. I am impressed. We have a working lazy river. Got some music going on here too. Probably gonna have to talk over that later. It's always just the little things in life. You work all hard year round to come to Pigeon Forge, Tennessee in April and float around in circles in a tube. I mean, life is good. Oh, I just hit the side. Plus, we have the whole river to ourselves. Most people are probably looking at us like we're crazy because, I mean, but we're from Buffalo, so this is nice and toasty for us. Hi. Nice to see you again. Why don't you grab a tube and go around in circles?
You want me to go in a tube?
You should. This is probably the part I'm going to turn this into a B-roll and play some cool music that goes along with me floating around a pool. Ever wonder what's the meaning of life? It's this right here. Absolutely. I wonder how it would do if I did an entire 15-minute vlog of me just going around in circles in this pool. I might get 65 instead of 60 views. So this feature here alone is worth staying here. I highly recommend if you're coming to Pigeon Forge, do check out the Marriott Courtyard here because this is just nice. Very nice. Do one lap in time lapse. It's getting a little bit chilly out here. I think it's time to head up to the room, get into something dry. Tell you what, it's a bit chilly once you get out of that pool. Woo! Now this beautiful building right here is where we're having dinner, but I just had to come and get this shot. Look at that beautiful mill wheel right there. It was spinning earlier, it's not now, but yeah, this is just a nice shot right here. Very nice, very nice. Oh, I didn't realize there's a goose right here. Hi, goose. It's of course located in the old mill district. But yep, here's the entrance, and there's the restaurant. So when you're in Tennessee, you have to have the country fried steak. Look at these mashed potatoes and green beans. And Michelle got chicken and dumplings. Very country. And then Hatfield and McCoy's Dinner Feud. There's the Titanic Museum. Over there is the Hollywood Wax Museum. I wasn't gonna come to Pigeon Forge and not do this attraction while I was here. This is the Jurassic Jungle Boat ride. Right here on the side of the road, we've got one of Pigeon Forge's most coolest tourist attractions, the Jurassic Jungle Boat ride. So yes, everybody's standing in line here for this. I've actually been waiting about 2 or 3 years to come here and see this. And look, even Michelle decided to come along. Welcome to Jurassic. We're getting sent back in time.
Jurassic is known as the golden age for dinosaurs. Now, does anyone know?
Yeah. Big dinosaur. Scary eyes there. Alright, that scared me. Okay, hi. Oh, look, he's got a little kid. Oh my gosh. Hello. I don't know what this guy's gonna do. I don't know what's gonna happen here. Scary. It's a velociraptor. What is that? It's a tentacle. Big scary guy. What's he gonna do? Rawr. I see a tail. Ugh. Is that thing gonna spit on us? It's not gonna spit on us, is it? Please don't spit on us. Guy's a big old scorpion. He likes you, Michelle. What is that? Guess this is the finale guy. I think they need to put a little bit of bromide in this water though. Blood on his teeth. Rawr. Bye-bye, scary guy. That's it. That was fun. It was very touristy, but I mean, it was fun, I thought. At least we could say we came here and did it. Just kind of wanted to stop and do a panoramic of some of the other attractions they have here on the boulevard. Lots of cool things here. That's gonna do it for this video. I hope you guys really enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it. Pigeon Forge turned out to be a really awesome town. Loved every minute of it. Glad I could have brought you all along. On that note, I'm out of here. So, thank you so much for watching. Be sure to stay tuned. I've got many, many more adventures coming your way. Till then, signing off for Pigeon Forge, Tennessee. Till next time, bye-bye.